Hi, I'm John. In this video, I will walk you through the easy and convenient way to assemble, use, and clean the upgraded version of the 360-degree Magic Mop by Aootek. Each box contains one bucket, a stainless steel pole, the dehydrating steel basket, and two microfiber mop heads. To assemble, simply remove the white cap from the mop head and attach to the stainless steel rod. Screw the two parts of the telescopic rod together and attach the microfiber to the mop head with a click. You can use your foot to press down hard. Wait until you hear the snap so the mop head will not come off during use. The 360 Magic Mop is incredibly absorbent. To test this, I'm going to spill this pitcher of juice. The microfiber hydrates instantly. In just seconds, all the liquid we spilled is gone. To rinse, simply dunk it in clean water and press down. Don't forget to release the lock from the steel rod so the mop can spin in the water. Traditional mops require you to drag and plunge in the bucket, which takes more work and can also cause spillage. To dry, lift from the water and start pushing it into the steel spinner. It spins super fast and dries out the liquid completely. See how thoroughly it dehydrates? Each plunge squeezes out all the liquid from the microfiber mop head. It dries so effectively that I can place the now dried mop on a piece of paper and leave no watermarks. The 360 Magic Mop also has an adjustable handle and is machine washable. All parts are made from high quality material that can last you a long time. Easy to use, absolutely convenient, and practical.
This is Kevin, and this is MOPNADO, the world's fastest, most convenient, and hygienic mop system. Using its patented spin drive, MOPNADO can handle accidents of any size by literally washing and drying your mop head during use. So, if someone decides to open 3 cans of perfectly good soda and spill them on the floor, after squirting some ketchup and mustard for good measure, you'll have no trouble cleaning up afterwards. With its super absorbent microfiber mop head, soaking up large amounts of liquids is a breeze. Just look at how easily 1 full liter of conveniently poured soda gets absorbed. Shocking, isn't it? The secret behind its success is the handle-driven spin function that allows the mop to be washed and dried in its own bucket. MOPNADO also features a unique twist lock, allowing you to extend the handle to clean hard-to-reach places. Use it wet or dry, and finally take care of those areas no one will be able to see. The mop head design lets you quickly switch mop heads, and the microfiber is soft enough to clean almost any surface. So switch from tile to hardwood floors in a heartbeat. Just don't try to mop your carpet. Old clunky mop systems are heavy and won't get dry enough to use on delicate surfaces. With the stainless steel spin basket, MOPNADO can get as dry or as wet as you need, so you never have to worry about damaging your floors ever again. Just spin faster for a dry mop head and spin slower for a wet mop head. It's that simple. And once you're ready to rinse out your mop head, get a clean, thorough wash with the built-in agitator, unlike older mops that just slosh your mop head around. Then spin to your desired wetness level, and you're all set. Disposable sweepers are light and easy to maneuver, but mostly just push dirt around. Plus, the cost of replacements can add up real quick after just 1 session of cleaning. Wet refills can cost up to 38 cents per sheet. And they can't really be washed or reused either. So, the next time you're getting ready to tidy up around the house, and you want a fast, convenient, and even fun cleaning experience, choose the one and only MOPNADO. Give it a spin today.
This is the Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket System. With its patented spin drive, it can handle any type of spill on hard surfaces. These microfiber mop heads are durable and machine washable, providing long-lasting use over traditional mops. The 180-degree swiveling mop head makes it easy to reach under furniture, while the extendable long handle allows you to clean windows and ceiling fans. Setting up is easy. First, attach the mop handle by screwing it together and locking it into place. Next, align the mop head with the plate and step gently until you hear a click. Fill your bucket with water and add your cleaner. Next, dip the mop into the water and spin to soak it. To dry, bring the mop head into the metal basket. Push down on the handle to activate the spin dry system. When finished cleaning, step on the strands of the mop head and push the handle away from you, causing it to detach. Then just throw your mop head in the machine or hand wash with warm water and lay flat to dry. No need to use bleach or fabric softeners. Choose between two different colors. The Tsmine spin mop and bucket system doesn't just make cleaning easy, convenient, and effective, but it makes cleaning even the toughest messes fun.
Tired of mops that can't reach the dirt? Do you hate wringing out mops with your bare hands?
Oh no!
Is your mop a dirty, disgusting mess? Well, no more. It's time to meet the incredible Hurricane 360 Spin Mop system, the only mop and bucket that spins the dirt away. The mop head spins to pick up the most dirt, gets into corners and around toilet bowls. The super absorbent head picks up 10 times its weight in dirty, disgusting liquid, traps it inside, and doesn't drip. To clean it, just put it in the bucket, and like magic, it just spins the dirt away. And you will never touch dirty, disgusting mop water again. But the magic of the spin mop keeps on coming. The Hurricane 360 Spin Mop picks up dust and dirt at the same time. And it works on any hard surface and will never scratch or leave streaks. Its amazing bucket just can't be beat. Just dunk and spin. There's nothing else like it, guaranteed.
Can you imagine cleaning being this fun? Twist and Shout Mop is the newest award-winning spin mop that easily wrings out with a gentle push on the handle. The super absorbent microfiber mop head locks in dust and spills and cleans 3 times better than cotton. The swivel head allows it to easily clean under furniture, around corners, and even baseboards. Just toss the mop head in the washer when you're done and dance on.